Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best brad nailers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Stanley TRE550Z Electric Staple Brad Nail Gun. The Stanley TRE550Z 2-in-1 electric stapler and brad nailer is a versatile tool for securing cables to posts, installing insulation, ceiling tile, carpet padding, and more. As a brad nailer for use with picture frames and molding, a flush nose design solves the problem of stapling in tight spots, while a contoured grip provides extra comfort on the job. The tool's dual power lever high-low power selection makes it easy to work with hard and soft surfaces while the flush nose design fits into tight spots. With an anti-jam mechanism, this electric staple nail gun operates smoothly and efficiently, saving time on your project. The contoured grip provides a comfortable hold. TRE550Z has an 8-foot power cord and uses Stanley Sharpshooter TRA700 series or Aero T50 heavy-duty staples an inch, 9/16 inch, and 5/8 inch brads. At number 4. WEN 61721 18-gauge 3/8 inch to 2-inch pneumatic brad nailer. Remember when you could build whatever you wanted? Nail nails and fasten fasteners with the WEN 18-gauge 2-inch pneumatic brad nailer. Fire 18-gauge brads anywhere from 3/8 to 2 inches in length. Our spring-loaded magazine makes for quick and easy reloads with enough space to hold up to 106 nails. The lightweight body combined with the rubber-lined handle limit fatigue during long days on the job. Operating pressure ranges from 60 to 115 psi with the nailer consuming 0.028 cfm of air per nail at 88 psi. The 1/4 inch NPT air inlet allows for a quick connection to your favorite air compressor. Adjust the firing depth of the nailer with the simple turn of the depth adjustment wheel. Check the number of remaining nails through the gauge window mounted on the side of the magazine. Unlatch the front nose to clear jams quickly and easily. Adjustable air exhaust lets users direct the pneumatic air output in any direction while the powder-coated finish prevents wear and tear to the nailer's body. This package also includes lubricating oil, hex keys, 503/8 inch nails, 503/4 inch nails, 501 inch nails, and 502 inch nails. And, because it's a WEN product, your nailer comes backed by a 2-year warranty and a friendly customer helpline, all to make sure you remember WEN. At number 3. PorterCable PCC790LA 18GA Cordless 20 volts Lithium. The PorterCable PCC790LA 20 volts Max Lithium 18GA brad nailer kit is 100% battery powered, which eliminates need for compressor, hose or costly gas cartridges. The special motor design provides consistent firing power into various materials and climate conditions. This nailer features multiple tool-free settings to provide increased productivity and user safety. This tool built with a lightweight but durable material. Being cordless, the tool is highly portable. This battery-powered incorporates max lithium-ion battery of 1.5 Ah 20 volts, which can be regularly recharged with the included charger. It also incorporates a special sort of motor which has the potential to fire brad nails through into various materials irrespective of the climate. The nail jam release property, nail depth setting adjustability, and tool-free release lever offer for a blustery home improvement experience. At number 2. DEWALT DWFP12231 2-inch 18-gauge pneumatic brad nailer kit. The new DEWALT DWFP12231 18-gauge, 2-inch brad nailer kit is an excellent tool with many enticing qualities. It features a long-life maintenance-free motor to keep from staining the work surface. The magnesium body delivers a strong and lightweight design. It also features a tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents for proper setting of nail heads, along with a tool-free jam release mechanism for easy nail removal. The rear exhaust helps to keep contaminants away from work. This unit is made to drive 18-gauge nails from 5/8 to 2 inches in length with a sequential style trigger, and 100-nail magazine capacity. Searching for a robust brad nailer that requires no or little maintenance and the one to rely on? DEWALT DWFP12231 2-inch 18-gauge pneumatic brad nailer kit has 100 nails magazine capacity, non-marring detachable nose end. This product features an adjustable hook. Its motor is maintenance-free and durable. At number 1. Hitachi NT50AE2 5/8-inch to 2-inch 18-gauge brad nailer. The NT50AE2 2 inches 18-gauge brad nailer is ideal for trim work, furniture building and other finish applications. It accepts finish nails from 5/8 in length up to 2 inches. Selective actuation allows the user to select bump fire or contact fire modes with the simple flip of a switch. At only 2.2 pounds, this finish nailer is lightweight and well-balanced, making it easy to use all day long. Home improvement tasks often take long, but with a well-balanced, lightweight nailer the project is accomplished with ease. With ample trigger and power, the Control tries this economical nailer for small projects. It features dual firing modes with the capability of customizing your experience by picking between rapid firing, continuous, and precise firing, intermittent. This nailer encompasses adjustable depth of drive responsible for varying the nail penetration degree and 100 brad nails magazine capacity. It accommodates nails of varied sizes between 5/8 - 2 inches. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.